reimagined.
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi everyone, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and here comes a song by San Geu Tai. It's called Su Chu, and it's a reimagined version of a traditional Hakka mountain song, now complemented by new lyrics and a revised melody, brought to you by the band's lead vocalist Rita. So let's take a listen to it.这首山狗大的歌叫做《Su Chu》，它是以客家山歌新民庄调为基底，收录在今年金曲奖获得最佳客语专辑《岩风谣》里面的一首歌。那重新填词谱曲，来唱出阿郎与阿妹的故事。我们继续来聆听。Hope you enjoyed the song by San Geu Tai. I'm Joseph Lin, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.